empty toilet paper roll. The red spot in the toilet, that's a scraper, a spatula. Hey, bud. Ian. Oh. He's pushing me out of the way because he wants to try to handle it on the toilet. Hi. Hi, cutie. Glad he's not strong enough yet. Oh. Oop, there goes the ducks. So fascinating, so busy. And he gets into so much trouble in the bathroom. We keep forgetting to close the door. Everything in the bathtub. And uh-oh. Hi, ducky. Alright. Give us a smile, Ian. Hello to your audience. And goodbye. Uh-oh.